Meaning of damage limitation. Damage limitation. Damage limitation.
Damage limitation. Damage limitation. Damage limitation refers to the process of minimizing the negative consequences of a particular situation or action, especially one that is considered undesirable or damaging. The ultimate goal is to limit the harm caused and prevent the issue from getting worse. This can involve a variety of strategies, such as acknowledging mistakes, providing compensation or restitution, and implementing corrective actions to prevent similar problems from occurring in the future. By taking swift, decisive action, damage limitation can help organizations and individuals avoid further harm and protect their reputation and standing.